Hello everyone, I'm Amir and this is my presentation for COS30043 interface design. And this is my final project website where I have designed a travel site. So this is the home page and this just gives a basic overview of the application. And in the news page, we can see a list of events which is going to happen in Melbourne for the upcoming month, and it's all stored in my JSON file. And here I have used pagination. So here are total 15 events, which are in three different pages, five each. And in the about page, which is the next view, so here I can select any of my desired travel style where in the nature and adventure section, I can get a suggestion of a sample itinerary. And in the same for the coastal relaxation, art and culture, and for food wine with the changing photos, which is a basic requirement for the application. And for logging in, there are two separate settings, which is as a participant and as a user. So for a participant, I have already signed up as a previous participant, which is named as Jean, and the password. And when I select the role, it logs me in. So I'll just I with a different password. So here I can see it has logged me in as Alice, who is a participant, and I had already a booking for National Gallery of Victoria, and I can start another booking where I am able to select from the list and my full name and my group size, also any special requirements, which is gluten-free food, and the phone number. So I'll just put a demo phone number here. And if I complete the booking, it will show as another card. And if I can log out and log in as a organizer. So I have right now just one organizer in my website, so which has a username and custom password. And if I log in the organizer dashboard, I can see all the events. Here I can delete or create any new event. And here at the bottom, I can see whoever has previously booked any other events. So here I can see that Alice booked for two different events and two other users. And we can sign in as new users as well. So for that, I have to log out from my organizer section, and as a new user I can put a name and it will log me in as a participant only. So I'll log in into my account and just my email, and I can register, and it says account has been created, and now I can log in. So if I put on my details, and point to be noted, everything is on my Mercury server, which is shown on the top of the screen. And if I log in as a participant, which with the account which I just created, and it says no booking yet, and it will welcome me with my name, which I started. So here I can again do uh, any booking, create another booking, and which will be available to see in the organizer dashboard. Now let's talk about some of our features. So I'll open my project in Visual Studio Code. So the first advanced feature that I have worked on is the role-based login system. And as showed in the login page, users can select their role either as a participant or an organizer. So when I enter valid credentials and click login, the application checks the logic, and it is implemented in my login view. So here the login method retrieves a combined list. I'll just put full screen. A combined list of default and local users, uses the find method to check if the entire credentials match, and all the roles are stored in local storage. Then based on the role, we use conditional routing. So which is here, lines 97 to 98. And then the dynamic participant booking. The second advanced feature is that so participants can click start event booking and complete a form where they can select an event, put on their details and any requirements. Now the code is stored in participant dashboard, which is this view. And the key part is line 114, which ensures that each user's bookings are separate and persistent across the sessions. Also, the organizer dashboard, which is another view for the organizer page. And in the code for organizer dashboard, the logic happens in the mounted section where all bookings parties right here in line 70, and it retrieves all the participant bookings separately and stores them in the local storage, and that combines into a single array. And about the style-based itineraries, it's in the About view. So in About view, I have defined the available styles in the travel styles array, which is here, travel styles array. So here I have used a switch to generate the property maps for each selection with a matching image. So this method uses a switch block to return different destinations and itinerary text for each style that the user can select. Also, the pagination is another feature that I have. Paginations and filtering is another feature I have implemented, which is available in the news.view. And here I have used search query and search field in data. So the filtered news compound property filters results based on the selected data. Then paginated news slices the results for paginations, which is available in the news.view. That's all for my advanced feature. I have implemented these 4 advanced features, and my website is completely available in my Mercury website, which is here. And I can log out, and that's home. That's my website. And also the home page can directly navigate you to the login page. And if you know your login credentials, you can log in and start booking as well. And this app complies with the CRUD functionalities, uh, all 4 of the CRUD functionalities anyway. And thank you. That's all.